Section 25 deals with damages. Damages are the money awarded to someone who has been wronged. But how do we figure out how much money to award? That's where facts come in. Let's say someone crashes into your car. You have to miss work because of your injuries. You have medical bills piling up. Section 25 says we need to look at the facts to determine how much money you should get. We would look at the cost of repairing your car. We would look at your lost wages. We would look at your medical expenses. These facts help us calculate the amount of damages. Section 26 is about rights and customs. Sometimes a right or custom is not written down in law, but that doesn't mean it's not important. We can use facts to prove that a right or custom exists. For example, imagine a community has a tradition of using a certain path through a field. The owner of the field tries to close off the path. The community can use Section 26. They can present evidence that the path has been used for generations. This evidence can be in the form of witness testimony or old photographs. These facts help establish the existence of a customary right to use the path. Section 27 is all about what's going on inside a person's head and body. Sometimes this is important to a case. For example, in a case of self-defense, the defendant's state of mind is critical. Section 29, existence of course of business when relevant. This section essentially revolves around the concept that the continuous conduct of a business can be considered as evidence in legal proceedings. For instance, if a company regularly engages in a specific practice, that practice can be used to establish intent, pattern, or standard operating procedures in court. It's about proving that a course of business exists through consistent actions and behaviors. Imagine you're dealing with a case where a company is accused of breach of contract. The opposing counsel might bring up the company's repetitive actions and dealings as evidence to support their claims. Section 29 enables this by allowing the court to consider these consistent patterns of behavior as a course of business. Next, let's talk about Section 30, admission defined. Admissions are statements made by a party acknowledging certain facts that can be used against them in court. Think of it as a legal confession that carries significant weight in litigation. Under Section 30, an admission must be clear, direct, and unequivocal. It can be made orally, in writing, or even through conduct.